So 2002 996. Wow, I was not expecting this to be this clean. Although the motor does have 37,000 miles on it, so pretty low mileage motor. But you can see that the metal's not even oil stained. So let alone looking for fragments and pieces and parts. There's the crankshaft right there. Looks beautiful. So you don't want to jinx this motor. However, looking through it, looks like a perfect opportunity for a IMS solution. That's one of the rods right there. Looking towards the back of the crank up there, I don't see anything that we wouldn't like. There's a little seam here, but you can see that it didn't break off. There's a little extra goo right there, but again you can see it didn't break off. So we'll clean all that stuff up. This one tore down up here. Oops, where is it? There we go. This one tore down as I was pulling the sump plate off. So everything looks really great. It's clear somebody took care of this car for sure. So now with its solution, should be good to go for quite some time, and very enjoyable car. Very nice. Nice little motor.